Hi, my name is Attorney Walter, if not the third. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're actually going to be finishing up the chunk of videos because I think Shadow has to go to the bathroom because he's bitching in the room. We're right now doing crate training in the form of room training, which is not going well. So what we're doing is we're looking at, all right, so this is the most classic question related to alcohol that will pop up in a Social Security disability hearing. The question goes like this. So how many beers do you have in a week? Oh, I have about 6 beers. And then the judge will go into, how many beers did you have yesterday? Oh, I had a beer. How many beers did you have before that? Oh, it was a Christmas party event. Oh, or it was a Hanukkah party event. It was a Kwanzaa party, whatever. It was a big thing. Okay, cool. Wow. Okay, understand. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, gotcha. Because so you had 1 beer, then 6 beers, then 2 beers, then 4 beers, then 1 beer, 0 beer, 0 beer. All of a sudden, you're at a heck of a lot of beers. And they've just shown that you're a liar, even though you may not have intended to seem as a liar for basically saying that you only had so many beers when in reality you had quite a few because you had a busy week and you lived in Ireland for that week and you just rocked it. You were pubbing it to pub it. All right, so just keep that in mind. That is the classic, count 'em up days procedure that you will hear in a Social Security disability hearing. All right. If you want to ask me a question, shoot me an email or give me a call. I go live 8 to 10 every Thursday, Eastern Standard Time on YouTube. And also, please like, subscribe, and leave me 5-star reviews on Avo, Better Business Bureau, and Google if you get a chance. Have an absolutely wonderful day. Catch you later. Bye-bye.